things. Don't forget that over the break, I will be putting in any zeros for those of you that haven't turned in this final unit, the Unit 4 summative final submission that we were supposed to have finished over spring break and turned in. Okay, so make sure you've got that in. I'll be putting in zeros today and starting my grading on that. So that's just your reminder there. If you've got any questions, by all means, holler. Let me know, okay? Also, if we look here, let's hop up into, if you're in Schoology, and you look here in this week's activity folder, I have uploaded all kinds of things for us, okay? So the SAT Strategy Survival Guide, that's the document that some of you, I printed it out for you last week. But it is your digital survival guide of tips and tricks, okay? So if you have that printout, go ahead and get it. Otherwise, go ahead and have this open on your screen as well, okay? And then this here, my darlings, is called, this is a link for the SAT Prep Black Book. This is like kind of like the go-to guide for SAT Prep. So I've added that PDF there for you to be able to reference and use. We are taking the SAT this week, and I would highly recommend that maybe take it again a little bit later on, for application purposes, but not to stress at all, okay? Don't stress about it. It's just a test. Don't stress, baby. We're going to talk about it, and seriously, y'all, okay? I don't want you stressed. But please know that all of these activities are here for you, okay? Inside of that weekly resource folder. And then Kahoot, so I've added the Kahoots that I've created so far. I'm trying to figure out, I found some other ones that other teachers had done that were pretty cool too. And I'm trying to figure out how I can get them onto our Schoology. It's got like a different, I guess when you use a different teacher's, it doesn't let you access, it doesn't matter. Yeah, you don't have to look behind the curtain. But just know that those are also here for you to be able to use if you want to. And those are what we're going to do today, okay? So that's your little reminders about everything. But first, we have paper that each group, oh, sorry, here, let me stop my recording.